Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you unable to install app on iPhone App Store. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you have open your iPhone setting and check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And after this, go back, scroll it down and tap on general, scroll it down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset network setting. And after doing reset network setting, you need go back, scroll it down, tap on App Store and turn on app update, scroll it down and turn on automatic download, scroll it down and turn on rating review. And after this, go back. After this, you problem still not solved, then restart your device. Solve your problem will be fixed. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.